Good evening and welcome to Market Outlook by Traders Cafe. Let's see what our trading plan for tomorrow looks like. Nifty has given a close of 15,863 after a volatile session today. Now, these two candles are something which we need to ignore. This was a result of the NSE price feed error today. So we will consider the highs and the lows. Now, if we do get a flat to slightly gap up opening, I will be going long over 15,933 levels. I believe the market is currently in an oversold zone. We may see a slight gap covering. But above that, my initial target will be 16,000 followed by 16,100 levels. Now, what strike prices should we choose to sell? I will be looking at selling 15,800 and below put options once Nifty breaks 15,933. So once we see a breakout, I will start shorting the put options. Now, in case of a gap down opening and a breach of 15,750, we will be looking at a shorting opportunity. However, with limited quantities, my quantity will be less than half. Initial target in this case will be the round level. So if we do see a breakdown from 749, first target will be 15,700 and then keep on trailing your stop losses. Strike prices to choose in that case would be 15,800 to 16,000 call options. Now, if we do get a huge gap up opening, what do we do in those circumstances? So say, for example, we get a gap up opening at 16,000, 16,050 levels. Wait for initial 5 minute, see what that 5 minute candle does. If we do see a positive candle, I will be looking to buy above the candle high. Stop loss again will be 20 to 22 points and we will be trading the breakout. However, if we do see some sort of a doji candle made, so in case of a gap up and we see a doji candle made, I will be looking to go short below that and my target will be 15,933 levels. Stop loss will remain intact at about 22 points. Now let's take a quick look at Banknifty. Banknifty is given a close at 32,871 levels. Again, pretty volatile session today. You can ignore these two candles. That is the result of the price error. Now, 33,000 will act as an important psychological resistance. Once we see Bank Nifty crossing 33,000 levels, I will be planning to go long. My initial targets will be 33,250 followed by 33,500. In which case I will be looking to sell 33,000 and 32,800 put options. In the case of a gap down opening, so in case we do open gap down and 32,464 levels are broken, I will be looking to go short. Initial target will be 32,250 levels. However, the quantity on the downside will be limited. In case of a huge gap up opening, my plan of action will be similar to what I plan in Nifty. So in case we open at say 33,250, 33,300 levels, I will wait for the first candle. In case it is a bullish candle, I will be going long in that. Stop loss will be about 50 to 60 points. In case of a doji candle, we will be planning a reversal trade in which the target will be 33,000 and stop loss will be again 50 to 60 on a short trade. That's it for today. Trade safe. Have a great trading day. Bye-bye.